My name is Cezmi Akdis. I'm the Associate Editor of JACI, and we have two guests here today, Dr. Scott and Dr. Doherty. And Dr. Doherty is the main author of a publication recently appeared in JACI, and Dr. Scott is a research fellow from Scripps Institute. The study is about Allergen challenge in allergic rhinitis rapidly induces increased peripheral blood innate lymphoid cells, a new cell subset which expresses CD84. I have some questions to Dr. Scott and Dr. Doherty. They are from UCSD, from San Diego, and we are in San Diego today. What was the primary purpose of your study, Dr. Doherty?
The primary purpose was to identify whether there were changes in a novel cell population called the ILC2 that makes Th2 cytokines in humans after challenge with allergen in patients with allergic rhinitis. That was the primary study, and also to identify novel molecules that may be present on these ILC2s.
Thank you. Very interesting. A new subset, and you are talking about allergic patients and a new subset of cells. What kind of methodology did you observe, and what did you do to look at these cells?
Sure, yeah. So to look at the cells, what we did was we took allergic individuals who were primarily allergic to cat, adults, and we challenged them on 2 days. On the first day, we just gave them a diluent challenge, just lactated ringers, and drew blood times 0 and 4 hours later. And then we had them come back and we challenged them with cat allergen nasally. And again, took blood at time 0 and at 4 hours, and compared the changes in ILC2s through flow cytometry at both of those study days.
Very interesting. What did you find then?
So interestingly, what we found was that at 4 hours after cat allergen challenge, that there was an increased percent of the ILC2 population in the blood that was present only after the cat allergen challenge and not present after diluent or control challenge.
That's, what kind of an increase was this? At what level can one detect it easily in the clinical setting?
So it could be detected even without allergen challenge, but it nearly doubled after the cat allergen challenge.
So this methodology, is it applicable to normal usage, clinical usage? What can we take for the clinics, for the patients from this study?
Yeah, so right now this cell population is being investigated further in terms of its function, and if found to be an important novel cell type in allergic disease, it could be that changes in the cell population, which could be identified in the clinic rapidly as we currently get blood counts, that may be a marker of severity of allergic disease.
So it's useful for the patients from now on?
Right. It could potentially be useful. I think that we need to standardize the way we identify these cells, and once that happens, then hopefully further studies with a larger group of patients could be done to better investigate that.
And can we apply it to other allergies and other allergic diseases?
Yes, so the ILC2 population is found in multiple tissues of allergic disease, whether it's the nose, the lung, the gastrointestinal tract, the skin. So all areas where we see allergic disease, the ILC2 is present and is thought to be potentially playing a role.
Thank you very much, Dr. Scott, Dr. Doherty. Thank you.